Back in May, LG made waves with the launch of a StanbyMe Go portable wireless touchscreen display in South Korea. Now, this cutting-edge technology is making its way to the US market, bringing with it a host of impressive features that redefine on-the-go entertainment and productivity. The StanbyMe Go monitor is already up for pre-order on LG's official website, and is set to be available for direct purchase starting August 28, 2023, in the US, at a price of $999. European consumers can also look forward to its debut in the near future. At the heart of the StanbyMe Go's appeal is its 27-inch IPS screen, boasting a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080, and a refresh rate of 60 Hz. A significant highlight is the inclusion of HDR10 support, ensuring vibrant colors and enhanced visual experiences across a range of content. However, the monitor's true innovation lies in its integration of artificial intelligence, enhancing not only the display quality, but also the overall user experience. Fueling this AI-driven performance is a powerful quad-core processor, which employs AI algorithms to upscale lower-resolution content to near Full HD quality. This means that even content originally intended for lower-resolution displays can now be enjoyed in stunning clarity. Moreover, the AI-driven picture settings adjustment adapts the display to different content types, optimizing the viewing experience for everything from movies to presentations. LG has taken a holistic approach by also incorporating AI Sound Pro technology, further elevating the user experience. This feature enhances the audio quality of any content, analyzing and adjusting the sound settings to suit the content type. Moreover, the built-in microphone detects ambient noise, and automatically adapts the sound output for an optimal listening experience, making sure that audio remains crystal clear regardless of the environment. The StanbyMe Go's touchscreen functionality opens up new possibilities for interaction. Users can seamlessly navigate through content with swipes, taps, and zoom gestures, adding an element of tactile engagement to the experience. True to its name, the StanbyMe Go monitor is developed with portability in mind. With a battery life of up to 3 hours, it's an ideal companion for those on the move. The sleek and convenient portable briefcase appearance ensures that you can take it with you wherever you go, transforming any space into a versatile work or entertainment hub. Connectivity options are abundant, with HDMI, USB, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth at your disposal. This means you can effortlessly link a variety of devices to the monitor, making it a versatile hub for all your content sources. In conclusion, LG's StanbyMe Go portable wireless touchscreen display is a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation and user-centric design. With AI-driven enhancements, immersive visuals, exceptional audio quality, and versatile connectivity, this monitor opens up new avenues for on-the-go entertainment, work, and productivity. The upcoming launch in the US and Europe is set to redefine how we interact with displays and technology while on the move. I'd like to end by expressing my sincere gratitude for your support. Your support in the form of likes, comments, and channel subscriptions means so much to me. Your brief time commitment is of utmost importance, and I sincerely appreciate you paying attention.